Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beans and carrot soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked beans, 3 medium carrots, 1 onion, and 2 stalks of celery. For the liquid, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready. A tablespoon of olive oil and some basic seasonings like salt and pepper will complete our list. This simple combination creates a hearty and nutritious meal that's perfect for any day. Now, let's start building those delicious flavors. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and celery, cooking them for about 5 minutes until they become translucent and fragrant. Next, toss in your chopped carrots. Sauté for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly. This step is crucial for developing the foundational taste of our soup, making it truly satisfying. Once your vegetables are softened, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth and add your 2 cups of cooked beans. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures the carrots are perfectly tender. For a creamier soup, you can blend about 1/3 of it before serving. Finally, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. A pinch more salt or a dash of black pepper can make all the difference. Ladle your warm, comforting bean and carrot soup into bowls. You can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a swirl of your favorite plant-based cream for an extra touch. This soup is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.